Hey guys, just a little video I want to make. I don't want to advertise Chinese stuff or anything, but I just want to show you something I just picked up. And it's like, just to show you, because it's technology today, it's like crazy. I picked up a doorbell from China. It was like under 20 bucks. I don't know what the name they're called. I don't know. It's like Zogging or something. Anyways, there's plenty of different names all over. You could get it directly from China or eBay or anything. But what's interesting about this thing, remote, I mean the button, and then you get this thing, and it's a plug and play. And what's funny about it, it's like, you know, comes from the box, it's still in plastic. Here, I just got it. You just plug it in, and you grab your remote. And that's all. And you could even, there's like, on the instructions, there's like, you could mute the sound, and then there's, I think, like 50 some little songs. I don't know if you change the songs.
Hello?
It's like Tetris mode. Yeah, here you go. So it's about it. Hey guys, for 13 bucks US, can't really go wrong. Plug and play, no wiring, no nothing. And this is like this kind of new technology, no battery required. If you wanna get it, guys, you have nothing to lose, man. It's great. Just plug it in and it's better than have those battery doorbells. And like, you know, my doorbell, it's like, it's been years trying to connect it. It's still not done. So I use like the fastest way with batteries, but those batteries you have to change often. So now I just picked up this one and it's like great. Put it in. You could tape it or you could screw it in and plug and play. All right, guys, later.